Thank you for choosing Primeline products for increasing the security of your home. This video demonstrates how easy it is to install a patio door deadbolt lock in a few easy steps and with a few simple tools. The tools you'll need to install this lock include a drill, a 1/8 inch drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, a pencil, and safety goggles. Additional tools you may want to have handy include a small hammer, an awl, a center punch, and utility knife. The parts included with this kit include the following: one lock with plastic cover plate, one plastic outside pull handle, two latches, two optional latch spacers, one set of installation instructions, and one set of fasteners. Before drilling for installation, check to make sure the latch fits your door and jamb properly, and that the door will close easily. Select the appropriate latch bracket and hold it in the door jamb about 6 inches above the existing door handle, or higher to install out of reach of small children. Gently close the door, then place the lock over the vertical stile of the door to ensure it will engage the latch. Use the two stackable spacers to push the latch forward if the door jamb is deeper than the height of the latch. In order to mount the latch correctly into the door jamb, it must fit tightly against the inside edge of the jamb. If it does not, it may be necessary to trim away a portion of the insulation. With the latch in place against the edge of the jamb, the door should function normally without being forced. If the door does not operate correctly, do not continue with the installation. Next, open the sliding door and hold the appropriate latch in the desired position. Mark the 3 holes, then pre-drill with the 1/8 inch bit. If necessary, add one or both of the stackable spacers behind the latch before securing it to the door jamb with the 1.5 inch screws. Close the door, then open the top and bottom sliding bolts of the lock and position it in place. Finish by closing the sliding bolts and locking them into the latchkeeper ends. The next step will require you to drill into the door's vertical stile to mount the lock. Prior to doing so, consider the following. When drilling new holes in the door frame, be sure the drill bit and screws will not make contact with the glass, as both can cause the glass to shatter. Do not drill completely through the door. Drill through the inside panel only. Hold the lock centered over the latch so that the gap is the same above and below the latch. Then mark the 4 holes and pre-drill with the 1/8 inch bit. Mount the lock using the 3/4 inch screws provided, then check the operation of the lock, making sure both the upper and lower bolts slide freely into the latch, and adjust as necessary. Firmly snap the black plastic cover plate into position to complete the installation. To install the optional outside pull, place the handle at a comfortable height, making sure not to interfere with the existing door lock. Mark the holes and pre-drill using the 1/8 inch bit. Do not drill completely through the door. Drill through the outside panel only. Mount with 3/4 inch screws.